Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you how to create a custom shelf just like this one. So the name is custom. You can name it as you like. You can add any tools already available to you in Maya or add your favorite scripts just like these ones to your table or to your shelf. So first thing first is to create the shelf or this tab itself. So to do that, we have to first go to this gear symbol right here. So click on that and click on new shelf right here. Once you do that, it will pop up a page to name your shelf. Let's call this one test and hit OK. So you will have a brand new empty shelf on your top menu. So how to fill this shelf? You have two ways to do that. I want to first show you how to add the tools and then we can go through how to add the scripts. So to add the tools, you can go to any of these shelves. Let's go to Poly Modeling. So most of the time you will start your model with a cube or a sphere. So let's start with this cube. So to add it to my custom test shelf, I will press Control Shift. So again, Control Shift together, and then I will press with my middle mouse button. So again, Control Shift middle mouse button. So when I do that, it will create a duplicate of the tool I created just beside it. So in order to get this one to my custom shelf, I will just middle mouse button, and as you can see, I have that dotted line. So I will bring it and I will hover over my shelf and I will let it go. So as you can see, it's disappeared from here, and when I go to my shelf, it's right here. Another way to do this is to use the top menus. So let's do it again. This time I'm gonna create and add a sphere. So I will go to Create, Polygon Primitives, and then again, Control Shift middle mouse button. Once I do that, it will add it to my custom shelf. But let's say I want to see my custom shelf on the left. So how to bring this here? So again, I will go to this gear symbol and I will go to shelf editor. So as you can see, it's on the bottom of the list. If I press on this, it will bring it up. So of course, this one will bring it down. And as I press this, if you take a look at top right here, it will move. So I will bring it way to the left. So if you're happy with this, you can click on Save All Shelves, but I want to show you something else too. So let's say you want to have the description, the label of the icons right beside it or right under the icons. So once you're here, click on Options. So right now I'm on icon only. I can click on text only. I can go to icon text below and icon text beside. So personally, I like icon text below. I think it's very useful, especially at the beginning. So once you're happy, just click on Save All Shelves. So just to be safe and make sure everything is saved as I like, sometimes Maya will forget what you saved. So to be in safe side, just go to File and click on Save Preferences. So now for the scripts. So first we need to have a script. So I already have it. A script is Poly Remesh. It will remesh your cube, a part of your mesh or the whole mesh. So how I add this to my custom shelf. Once you have it here, just select all the script. So this one is very small, but let's say you have a couple of lines. Just select and highlight all of your scripts and then bring it with your middle mouse button. So click with the middle mouse button and bring it here. Again, once you have that dotted line, that means it will add it to your shelf. So I'm gonna let it go. So again, just middle mouse button and right here. Okay, I added two scripts. I don't like that. Let's remove it. So removing it is very simple. Just right click and delete. So right now it added the whole script as my label, which I don't like. Let's say I want to have a shorter name for it. So let's go back to shelf editor and I want to go to Poly Remesh and let's call it Remesh and save all changes. So Even if I don't have the labels here, like if I only have the icons, I will still have the label here as remix, so I still will know what is this script. And that's it. That's all you have to know for custom shelves. Please let me know on comments what type of videos you want to see about Maya or any other software. Thank you for watching and goodbye.